Cebu Rules and Regulations. In Cebu, tourists are encouraged to book visit to attraction through the official online portal to manage crowd control and enhance safety. Walk-ins and day trip to these sites are discouraged to prevent overcrowding. Public attractions may have varying policies, thus containing local tourism offices before visiting is advisable. Beaches operates at 50% capacity with restrictions on food and drinks. Private accommodation require prior reservation, compliance with local ordinances including traffic and parking regulation is essential to ensure a smooth and respectful visit. Bohol Rules and Regulations. Bohol is designated as an eco-cultural tourism zone, emphasizes suitable and responsible tourism. Visitor must maintain a 5-meter distance from tarsier and avoid flash photography to protect these sensitive primates. Climbing the Chocolate Hills is prohibited to prevent erosion. Only designated viewing areas are accessible. Marine sanctuaries require permits for activities like snorkeling or diving, with strict no-touch policies for coral reefs. Tourists should book accommodation with proper certifications and use accredited transport services.